to Bhimbetka. After the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Now the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. Anjan, what is Bhimbetka? Mrs. Raina. It is a place with lots of caves and cave paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. It's a place with caves and cave paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. Sumanto, 10,000 years? I cannot even think of 1,000 years back. Gopi, oh, 1,000 years is a big thing. I can't even think of 100 years. Gauri, I can think of 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. So they are talking about the cave, the Bhimbetka cave and the cave painting. So it is 10,000 years ago. So children are discussing like this 1,000 year ago itself, very big thing. How can I think about 10,000 years like that? They are discussing. And Gauri is telling 100 years I know because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. Manjit, that means those caves are almost 100 great grandmothers old. Yeah, 100 great grandmothers. That is, grandmother is 100 years old. 100 great grandmother means 100 great grandmother. That is, grandmother age is 100. So that is 10,000 equal to how much? 10,000. So in 1,000 you will have three zeros. 1,000 how do we write? We write like this, is it or not? 1,000. So 10,000. 1,000. 10,000. So 10 followed by three zeros. 10,000. So in 10,000 there are four zeros. Everybody bursts into laughter. Ahaha, yes, they are just making fun about that 10,000 years ago. And through that fun, they are learning. So in 10,000, how many hundreds are there? 100 hundreds. That is 100 hundreds make 10,000. Now the children are really excited to see the cave paintings. It is about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. Dearly, I mean, previous class we discussed, between 10 to 11 only they'll be reaching because it is about 50 kilometer from their place, from the school. So now about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. Wow, even 10,000 years ago, people made such lovely paintings, that too on rocks. So, children are discussing like this. Wow, even 10,000 years ago, 10,000, once again, in 10,000, how many zeros? Four zeros. People made such lovely paintings. See, look at this, such a lovely paintings, that too on rocks. On rocks only, these paintings are made. Oh, these rocks are thousands of years old. Thousands of means 10,000s, no, that is thousands of years old. Shankar, this painting also has very big bisons. This painting also has very big bisons. So like this bisons. Okay. These animals, bisons. Hey, I got an idea. I'll count the bisons and you count the deer in the painting. So Shankar is telling, I'll count the bisons and you count deer. Like that he's telling. And Bonamala is telling, I'll count people. Another girl. Let us see which are the most bisons, deer or people. So Shankar, one boy is counting number of bisons, another girl is counting number of deer, and one more girl, that is Bonamala, is counting number of people. So people also there in the painting. Okay, see people. So like that children are counting. Then let's see which one is the most, which are the most, whether bisons or deer or people. 34, 35, 36, 37. I got 37 bisons. So Shankar is answering like that. Then 112, 113, 114. I got 117 deer. Yay! So another girl is telling. So Shankar got 37 bisons and another girl got 117 deer. 37 bisons and 117 deers are there. How many more deer are there than bisons? How many more? How many more deer are there than bisons? So like this, when you see the question, this is comparing type of question. What type of question? Comparing type of question. How many more? How many less? How many more than the word, another word? Okay, how many more or how many less? Or one more type also, who got more by how much? Who got less by how much? Even like this question comes also. These are comparing types of question. That is, here we are going to compare the deer and the bisons. That is comparing. So comparing questions always we subtract. By subtracting the values we find the difference. How many more deer means we are going to find the difference. How many more deer or how many less deer, like this questions mean we are going to find the difference. That is comparing type of question. So comparing type of question always subtraction. That is we are going to find the difference. Don't forget how many more or how many less, or like this, who got more, who ran more, and who got less by how much. Like this question comes means it is comparing type of question. That is we have to find the difference by subtracting. So here we are going to compare the number of deer and number of bisons and we are going to find the difference. So when you are going to find the difference, don't forget the step, pick up the greater number. So from 117 we are going to take away 37 and we get 80. 117 minus 37 is 80. So how many more deer are there than bisons? 80 more deer. 80 more deer are there than bisons. But Bonamala is the happiest because another girl, Bonamala also counting the people, number of people. But Bonamala is the happiest because the number of people is even more. At present, 37 bisons, 117 deers. Okay, so deer only, more counting. But Bonamala is the happiest. She feels very happy because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bisons together. Bonamala was counting number of people. No, that number is even more. About how much? More than the number of deer and bisons together. Together means what? We have to add, make together, addition, make together. That is making together, putting together is called addition. So we have to add because deer, number of deer and bisons together. By adding this number of deer and bisons, you will get one number, no? Even her counting, that is number of people is even more than the total of deer and bisons. And one more clue is given, her count is less than 200. Her count is less than 200. Bonamala counted, no? We are going to find the number of people by using the given clue. What are the clues? When we add the number of deer and bisons, we get one answer, no? That more than that answer, and her count is less than 200 and the value it will be less than 200. So let's add first. Let's add the number of deer and number of bisons, that is together. When we add, we get 154. So her counting, that is number of people, is even more than the number of deer and bisons together. So after adding, we get 154. But her counting is more than 54, but less than 200. The number of people counting It will be more than 54, less than 200. So let's see the options given here. 214. 214 definitely not possible because the condition is less than 200. So this is not. Then 154, that is exact value, also not, because what did she say? More than the total, so it is not. Then 134 is less than 154, so that is also not possible. So we can take 177, that is her counting, because this 177 is more than the total, that is 154. Moreover, it is less than 177 is less than 200. So 177 is the counting made by Bonamala, that is number of people is 177 in the painting. The guide tells them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. There are 600 cave paintings in all. It is time to leave Bhimbetka. Okay, time up. Now we are leaving the Bhimbetka. We are leaving the place Bhimbetka. They spent 1 hour there. They spent 1 hour there. What time is it? What time is it? Can you remember? They reached Bhimbetka at about 11 o'clock and they spent 1 hour there, means what is the time? 12 noon, 12 o'clock.